Grade 7 learners, welcome sa isa namang episode na punong-puno ng kaalaman. Maraming matutunan, mundo ng numbers ating niyang pag-uusapan. Kaya't ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara na! Halina't matuto! Are you ready for a fun-filled discussion? By the way, I am your math teacher for today. I'm Mr. Floro Q. Palomeras Jr. Get your learner's packet, answer sheet and ballpen, and stay tuned to another exciting Grade 7 Mathematics lesson only here at Halina't Matuto sa Dasmariñas North National High School.
Last week, we talked about the Venn diagram. We learned how to solve problems involving sets with the use of Venn diagram. In week 3 of quarter 1, we talked about absolute value and integers. By the end of the lesson, the students are expected to represent the absolute value on the number line as the distance of a number from 0 and perform fundamental operation on integers. Let's have a warm-up activity before we jump to our lesson. You will give the opposite of the following given numbers. Number 1, for positive 2, that is negative 2. Next, negative 5, that is positive 5. Third, positive 47, that is negative 47. Fourth, negative 80, that is positive 80. Last, positive 100, that is negative 100. Now, remember, the opposite is also additive inverse. For example, the question is, what is the additive inverse of positive 20? That is negative 20. Because the other term of opposite is what we call additive inverse. Before we start our new lesson, let us review first a number line. The number on the left is less than a number. This is a negative integers. And the number on the right is greater than a number. On the left, this is a positive integers. And 0 is what we call origin. Example of the opposite. What is the opposite of negative 10? That is positive 10. Pwede rin vice versa. The opposite of positive 10, that is negative 10. Remember, the opposite is from positive to negative or negative to positive. What is an absolute value? The absolute value of a number is a distance of a number from 0. Pag sinabi natin absolute value, it is referring to the distance. We are getting the number units from the 0. Distance referring to the absolute value. Absolute value, it is denoted by 2 bars. We are using 2 vertical bar lines to represent the absolute value. Example number 1. Represent the absolute value of 6 on the number line. Let's count from 0, going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units. 6 is 6 units from the 0. Thus, the absolute value of 6 is 6. That is, absolute value of 6 is equal to 6. Example number 2. Represent the absolute value of negative 3 on the number line. Let's count from 0 to negative 3. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, we have 3 units. The distance of negative 3 from 0 is 3 units. Therefore, the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. That is, the absolute value of negative 3 is equal to 3. Always remember, pag sinabi nating absolute value, lagi siyang positive. Never na magiging negative. Example number 3. Represent the absolute value of negative 6 plus the absolute value of 3 on a number line. First, hanapin natin yung absolute value of negative 6. Let's count from 0 to negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, meron tayong 6 units. Next, hanapin natin yung absolute value of 3. Let's count from 0 to positive 3. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, meron tayong 3 units. Negative 6 is 6 units from 0. 3 is 3 units from 0. Thus, the absolute value of negative 6 plus the absolute value of positive 3, 6 plus 3 equals 9. Ang ginawa lang sa kanilang dalawa ay pinagsama lang, matapos mahanap ang kanilang absolute value. How to add integers? There are 3 ways to add integers. Number 1, colored counter. Second, number line. And lastly, rule. How to add integer? Same sign, there are 3 ways to add integers. Different sign. Number 1, subtract and colored the sign of the bigger number. Second, number line. Let's go back to the colored counter. If you see 2 opposite color, you can cancel each pair because they equal to 0. Take note, white square represent positive 1. Blue square represent negative 1. Example number 1. 3 white square plus 2 white square equals to 5 white square. Example number 2. 3 plus negative 2. Again, white square represent positive 1. Blue square represent negative 1. Using the cancellation method of colored counter, the final answer is negative 1. And example number 3, we used number line. In adding integers, negative 2 plus 3. Una, ang gagawin natin, magbibilang tayo ng dalawa mula sa 0 papunta sa kaliwa. 1, 2. At mula naman sa negative 2, magbibilang tayo ng 3 papunta sa kanan. 1, 2, 3. At mapapansin ninyo, ang ating dot ay tumigil sa positive 1. Kaya naman, ang ating sagot ay positive 1. Example number 4. 3 plus negative 2. Ang gagamitin nating paraan dito, yung rule. Different sign, subtract, and keep the sign of the bigger number. Therefore, the final answer is positive 1.
Now, how do we subtract integers? We are actually add the opposite. At dapat, tandang-tanda natin ang rules in adding integers. Now, let's proceed subtraction of integers. Always remember the keep, change, change. Keep si minuend, change ang sign or operation, change si subtrahend. Example, x minus y. Keep si x, subtraction, it will become addition. Positive y, it will become negative y. For the second example, x minus negative y. So, lagi natin tatandaan, pag negative siya, dapat nasa opening close parenthesis para hindi tayo malilito. keep si x. Subtraction, it will become addition. Negative y, it will become positive y. And then after that, proceed tayo sa rules ng addition.
Before we solve the following given numbers, always remember that keep, change, change. For number 1, 2 minus 3. Keep si 2. Subtraction, it will become addition. 3, it will become negative 3. 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 1. Number 2, negative 3 minus negative 2. Keep si negative 3. Subtraction, it will become addition. Negative 2, it will become positive 2. Negative 3 plus 2 equals negative 1. Third, 3 minus negative 2. Keep si 3. Subtraction will become addition. Negative 2, it will become positive 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And lastly, negative 2 minus 3. Keep si negative 2. Subtraction, it will become addition. 3, it will become negative 3. Negative 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 5.
Since everything is clear, you now start answering the learning task for the week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel so you'll be updated in our latest video upload. At ayun na nga, natapos na natin ang ating talakayan. Hanggang sa sunod na linggo, dito lang yan sa programa ng punong-puno ng kaalaman. Maraming mga tunan. Mundo ng numbers, ating niyang pag-uusapan. Dito lang yan sa Halina't Matuto sa Dasmariñas North National High School.